Hey guys, we're out in the garden today. I'm going to be planting up some Veronica, so I thought I would take you guys along for the ride here. First day of summer today, starting to heat up in our garden, certainly, so we're doing lots of watering and watering the grass and just keeping things going, but it's still okay to put things in the ground. So why don't we go ahead and have a look at what we're planting today. Going to be planting up some White Wands Veronica from Proven Winners. Have always had my eye on these, and they look really awesome. Take a look here. Got things loaded up in my cart and ready to go, but I've got 3 of them. They get about 16 inches tall. And space them out on a minimum of 16 inches. I'm going to put these a little bit closer together, between 12 and 16 inches apart, because I want a good clump of them. But they bloom from summertime, from early summer into the midsummer. Probably going to cut the spent blooms off of these, just so that since they're brand new planted, so they can really put that energy into building a root system, since these are perennials, so they'll come back every year. So excited about that. Always trying to build out the garden with more and more perennials. But why don't we go ahead and take them over to the spot where I'm going to plant them up, and we'll talk a little bit more about them. So guys, here's the spot that we're going to put them at. Let's take a look at it. It's a good block of morning sun, and goes into kind of part sun through the rest of the day. So it's going to be perfect for these. But in this bed, I have already planted up some Heucheras. There's some azaleas in there, some little Lime Hydrangeas, along with some hostas, some caryopsis. So there's a variety in here, but we're going to put them in this spot right here, in the center of the garden, right in that spot right there. And we'll get them planted up. So let me take you through the supplies that we've got today. So obviously I got my shovel that we're going to need. We've got 3 of the Veronicas that we're going to put in the ground. But one thing that I always recommend when we're planting up new perennials is Biotone Starter Fertilizer by Espoma. It is going to give your plants a super head start. I've had really good news with them, or good results with it. I was turned on to this by Laura from Garden Answer. I'll link her channel down below here. You can check all the great things that she's doing in her garden space. Huge area that she has, that she works in, but awesome channel for you guys to follow. But the Biotone Starter Fertilizer is organic, and it really just makes your plants take off. Like I said, I've had super good luck with it. So why don't we go ahead and get these in the ground. So there you go, guys. We got it all planted up. I think they turned out really, really nice. You want to have a look at them here. As you can see, our soil is in this particular area of the garden is really, really clay. So I've been amending all of this area with some gypsum, along with some compost. So over the next few years, hopefully that will clear this particular area up. You also notice that I ran into a few spots where there were some of our drip irrigation. So this area here is gridded out, where it gets really, really good coverage. So just kind of worked around those, and I think that they look fantastic. So really appreciate you guys stopping in. Again, be sure to like our video and to subscribe to the channel. But until next time, guys, we'll see you in the garden. Bye-bye.